Hey y'all. So it's about 7:30 in the morning right now, and I looked into my garden, like a good look for the first time in a while, and I'm like, it's a little work. So I'm gonna do some fertilizing today, some deadheading, probably cut my grass, and pulling weeds, that kind of stuff. So I figured, why not take you along? So here we go. So this is what I used to fertilize my nectarine tree because it had peach leaf curl and a bunch of other situations this year. So I just like to give it a little extra something. Sometimes they seem to get like this after super hot days are followed by super rainy days. So I just like to give them a nice little trim, and I feel like it really helps them bounce back. Okay, looks like I'm about to get my first little chive bloom. I'm going to pause what I'm doing to mow the grass because it's starting to get really hot and I want to make sure I get that done today. So here we go. I think I've earned myself a break in the shade corner after that. It's very hot. It's very hot. And I hope like everybody's drinking water because this heat is not cute. I freeze my waters in the freezer where you freeze things. So that way when I come outside, as it melts, I can drink it and it's nice and cold. Little tip. Okay, back to work because I don't have much time today. So I'm so extremely happy with these zinnias. I can't even properly express myself. Like this one, look how beautiful that is. Insane. This is my new favorite. Popped up the other day. Look at that color. So pretty. So next up I have some planting to do. So I need to harvest the rest of my carrots so I can get my Tiny Tim and my hybrid pepper in. Both very small varieties, so they don't need a lot of room. I just gotta find somewhere to stick them. So here we go. Look at all this fruit that was ready. Look at this. Like the rain has some of them splitting, so that kind of sucks, but pretty happy with that. So, just walking around the garden and picking up all of the fruit that I picked and then like threw on the ground, because if I don't do that, I will forget. And I didn't get to I didn't get to deadhead the rose bushes like I wanted to, because it's just so hot, and like I don't want them to suffer because I deadheaded them while it was boiling hot out here. So I'm just gonna save that for another day, or maybe night. So that's all I'm gonna have time for today, because like I said, it is boiling hot out here, so I gotta get inside, and see you in the next one.
I really don't want to go to work.
You want to stay here with me?
Yeah.
You want to garden?
Is it just me or does it smell like fresher out here?
Fresher? Like flowers, maybe?
No, like cleaner.
They do clean the air.
What is that?
That's a sunflower, honey.
Why is that gigantic?
It's a mammoth.
You can like slap someone with that leaf.
Cool, huh?
Yeah.
What about your watermelon? Looks cool.
Where? Oh. Huh.
You're looking at the baby one. Take a look at the big guy.
Oh, wow. Dude, you have so many eggplants.
I know. I do have a lot of eggplants.
What is that?
That is what? Cucumbers, honey.
Oh my god.
I know.
They're getting pollinated though. Look at all of that bee in there.
Bees in there?
Yeah.
It's good.
He's going from flower to flower.
He's greedy.
That's crazy. I don't even care about the carrots anymore.
Dang. They're the only things you'll eat.
Look at the sunflowers.
You're not going to eat those.
Sunflower seeds.
Oh, that's true. You do like that. That's what? That is a spaghetti squash.
Oh.
So cool.
Yeah. Little tiny baby eggplants.
It's a patio baby eggplant.
That's insane.
Yeah, they're cute. I put them in the ratatouille you refuse to eat.
I probably ate them. I ate a whole plate.
You did not.
I did.
You ate a spoonful.
I did.
You would rather go to bed hungry than eat vegetables.
I have to go to work now.